Hey everybody, it's me, Richard, and this is my dog Nami, and the cat in the back is Oliver. Today we're going to play with Nami, and hopefully she'll play tug of war with us and see how that goes. Is the floor too slippery for you? Here I have her favorite toy. She's a very gentle player, so every time I do play tug of war with her, she's very gentle about it. No pulling, no tugging, and when she does, it's very gentle. I'm not too rough with her, because I don't want to hurt her teeth. She's still a puppy, but she is fun to play with. She's about 6 to 7 years old, and I believe right here is where I start to win in tug of war with her. Or sometimes she just gets kind of lazy, which is okay. Huskies are usually kind of chaotic and just an overall mess, but this little girl, she's amazing.
Gentle.
And clumsy. Very good with cats as well. And right here, I pretty much won, and she's trying her best to just hang on. But that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and
I think I won.
hopefully we'll have more videos for you soon.